Right now we're making rules on who's going to go from the top drawer of this jewelry box down. So you want to call it?
Sure.
All right.
Heads.
Heads it is. Do you want to go first or second?
I get the first.
He wants to go first. Here's the deal, ladies and gentlemen. We paid $2,200 for one single storage vault. It's the most expensive vault I've ever paid for in my life. This was in the front, and if you shake it, there is something in this jewelry box. I don't know what. I don't know what. You got a knife? I got a knife. You want to get... I'll wait for you. You ready? Do you need an intro or anything?
Yes. Yeah.
All right. Do you? Okay.
Should I do it?
No, I'm just making sure he has it set up. I don't know how he... Because Jack might place this interjectly into...
No, I think this would be the beginning.
Make sure you... you're recording?
Yeah.
I was going to say, make sure you get Uncle Michael because he thinks he is the star of YouTube and he will blow your channel up being in there.
He wants to get on it.
There we go.
Us.
I can feel the view count going up right
It just went up. It just...
I know. Before we're gonna see what we got. Okay. I get the first drawer, and Mike's 1 second.
Yeah. I can go like this. Couldn't I just go with this?
Yeah, I guess you could.
All right. Ah, nothing. Go ahead. That's the way the cookie crumbled. I'm going down, Jack. Ooh. I got a towel and a wallet. Well, I can tell you one thing. I wasn't wrong about there being something in this jewelry box, right?
That's true.
So that's like a plus, but that doesn't mean nothing beneficial. It doesn't mean like, hey, look what you did. We got some freaking tape and a Bible. I mean, that is very priceless, right?
Check to see if there's hundreds in there.
Jack says, check to see if there's hundreds in there. Ooh, wait a minute. This is technically in my drawer, isn't it?
Sure. Oh, what? What? What the heck?
Easy.
Pirates always know. St. Cristo. Okay.
Put them in the Bible. Keep them safe.
This is not bad. Okay, we got a nail. What is that? Okay. So this is what happens when movers come move your stuff and they turn... Ooh. An ancient mew. What is that worth?
Spencer on the phone.
We got one piece of silver, Jack. We've got...
It's 1998.
That's what you want.
You have cereal box.
I think that says 14K. Fossil. It's like Uncle Michael.
It's always going to be Uncle Michael.
Stop picking at Uncle Michael. That's why, right there. Damn, I knew it.
The 25, yeah.
It is 1/20th gold filled.
Okay.
Oh, is the little thing that tells you? When you drive, you drive, you get a weird smell to it, like rubber. Or something melting or something maybe,
This is not exactly exciting, Jack.
How many miles are on there, Jack?
Sorry.
800.
Oh, he's only got 80 miles on.
Okay, well, not bad.
What's this one?
Silver, that's a little medallion. Is it Chanel?
Almost looks like it.
I didn't look and actually see if there was a...
It would have been on here. At least on the ones I found. Dang.
Gold filled, silver, gold.
Silver.
And a Pokemon card. Alright, I guess we'll continue on.
See the next drawer.
I'm trying not to. Stuff is falling. Not exciting. Costume. That's a cool piece though, don't get me wrong. Copper. copper. Looks like painted copper. Costume. It's a neat 1 or 2 lots of costume. I don't know if we have $2,200 worth of costume. But, you know, you never know. We're not done. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers. Something just fell into yours. You see that? See how that worked?
Yeah.
Alright. What do we got here? Jewelry. Nope, not gold or nothing. This is pretty cool right here. I mean, that's what I usually find in my jewelry boxes. And a piece of glass. And then we have a dinosaur egg, so this could really fetch us some money because this could belong to a pterodactyl.
Okay. This is the last drawer.
It did feel solid. Spider-Man,
Yeah.
the handbook of Chinese horoscopes. This is absolutely Alchemist. One of the worst jewelry boxes I've gotten in a while.
Why would that be in the drawer?
I don't know.
For Ronnie Carrots. Okay, so something fell, Jack. Do you wanna what's the matter?
Yeah.
Not very exciting. A bonus little gift.
Christmas tree.
All right, so